we're going to tie the scaffold knot. The scaffold knot is a termination knot, most commonly used for climbing lines. It can be used for rigging lines, but you have to be careful about reducing your working load. So to tie the scaffold knot, we're going to take a bight of line, and then we're actually going to turn that into a loop, like so. So we've got this X sort of pattern here. We're going to tuck that under. It looks kind of similar to tying a figure eight, but we're not going to tie a figure eight. Then we're going to make another X. So we've got another layer of X's here. And we're going to come under this side. And then this is the important part. We're going to take the tail and we're going to tuck it parallel to this strand and underneath that X that we've formed. And then we're going to take a finger here to the loop that we've created, and we're going to dress the knot by pulling on the tail as well, like so. And what you can see is we'll have this nice X looking pattern on the top, and then if you've tied it correctly, on the bottom you'll have lines in parallel. If you've tied it correctly, then you can take this and you can give it a bit harder tug, and that will set it. And then this is most commonly used with a carabiner. So you can add the carabiner to that, and then this knot will cinch down to the carabiner like so. Scaffold knot can also have many different names. They can also be referred to as the double overhand loop. I've seen it also referred to as the double overhand knot, even though those are different knots. I've also seen it referred to as the poacher's knot. At Arboriculture Experts, we refer to this as the scaffold knot. This is also me casting my vote for scientific names for knots. Thank you.